Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about business, crypto and investing. Today we have some interesting news about our Shiba Inu token. So before we start, make sure to leave a like and stay until the end of the video so you can get the latest information about our favorite token. And it would be really nice of you if you could tell me how much Shiba Inu coins do you currently have. Because today we're gonna go through some price predictions and latest Shiba Inu news that's gonna impact the price directly. So like I said, make sure to subscribe, leave a like and stay until the end of the video. As you can see right now, we are currently on CoinMarketCap and everything seems fine, everything seems green and up. The overall global crypto market is stable and it's up by 0.67% in over the last day. So before we start with price prediction, latest information about Shiba Inu, let's see how Shiba Inu is doing on the chart on the CoinMarketCap. As we can see, the volume in the last 24 hours is increased by 55%. That's almost $700 million. The overall market cap is up by almost 15%. Looking at the chart, we cannot see any major changes. In the last 24 hours, we can see Shiba is going just up. As you can see, everything is green. We have some pumps and dumps. Unfortunately, this green line is going down, but don't worry, you will get everything until the end of the video, so make sure to stay until the end. Because we have some information that's gonna change some things on the chart. Talking about Shiba Inu chart, we can see this post on Shibarmy Reddit community that says Shiba looks like a shark. Lol, but for real, SHIB needs to break resistance, could have a breakout like BitTorrent if that were to happen. As you can see, this chart is looking good and we all hope it's gonna go past this white line and we can all go to the moon. Moving on to this next article that's gonna probably help you understand how the price will be dictated even more. This guy said not to be bearer of a bad news, rewards to be delayed due to unforeseen circumstances. I'll continue to hold my SHIB on shibaswap in a show of solidarity. Stay calm, it's going to be okay. We can see this post from Eric that said shibarmy. As you know, our first goal when developing shibaswap was to create a secure platform where users could feel safe when doing transactions. One of the parts where we have paid more attention was to bury section. We launched shibaswap on a context where a lot of DEX were hacked and drained, so we decided to implement an offline multi-process which runs manually all distributions, and this process lasts for 14 to 16 hours through multiple systems. This process has some pros and cons. The pros are that it's 100% safe and it ensures no hacks or drains can happen. The cons, it requires time and a manual process run by actually one person. Unfortunately, a dear member of our development team is dealing with unforeseen family medical emergency and we regret that we will have to postpone this weekend's scheduled rewards distribution. Okay, so there will be no changes for this weekend's scheduled reward distribution, but that's probably gonna make some changes on the chart, and I'm not really sure why is just one person doing this job. If they had more people on shibaswap dealing with the rewards distribution, that would probably make a big difference in Shiba community. We have one interesting comment following this post that says can't afford to woof them anyways, we can wait. We can probably all agree with this comment, and if he's right, leave your opinion in the comments of this video. Moving on to this next article, we have some very important news that said Shiba Inu coin could bounce back if crypto comes back in vogue. This is very important information and it's probably gonna impact the price. This is the part of price prediction, as I already told you. I'm not just gonna mess around with the graph, give you some fake informations and fake predictions. We're gonna go through the news and we can see what impact will they have on the price. And in this article they said it goes without saying that Shiba Inu is a gamble, pure and simple. Skeptics of this asset class may say all cryptocurrencies are gambles in one way or another, but unlike the major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can't even try to argue that this coin riding on coattails of Dogecoin has any sort of intrinsic value. The bull case, for lack of a better word, it hinges on a return to the speculative frenzy seen with crypto during the spring, yet there is a chance we see at least a partial return to the enthusiasm seen earlier this year. Bitcoin, Ethereum and the largest altcoins have been trading up once again. Forthcoming upgrades among major coins could be something that extend this recovery. So if it's the high utility coins that have improving prospects, what's the value of buying SHIB USD? Okay guys, this is very important, so please make sure to stay until the end of this video. And please tell me in the comments, what do you think? Is it worth to buy Shiba Inu right now? Should we buy Shiba Inu right now? Or we're already too late for that? Because looking at the news, I'm sure we're gonna lose a couple of zeros very soon. It may not fully recover to its high watermark, more than 6-fold above where it trades today, but given its low price and lower levels of liquidity, it could make an outsized move higher if the crypto market continues to make a comeback. This may more than outweigh the risk this joke coin that makes Doge look like serious business continues to decline in value. And now for the important part, Shiba Inu and its possible outsized moves ahead. Sure, so far SHIB USD hasn't gotten much of a boost despite the major coins starting to bounce back, yet don't take that to mean it won't start moving in tandem or outsized relative to the overall cryptocurrency market. The rebound, assuming, is just now getting started. You see guys what I'm talking about? We still have a chance, and Shiba is probably gonna bounce back, and we're gonna first of all make money back that we invested, and then we're gonna lose a couple of zeros and go to the moon. I mean, there's no other options. Everyone is working really hard for that. Factors such as the upgrades for Bitcoin, Ethereum and Cardano could convince investors that crypto is still the start of something big instead of passing fad. As prices continue to rise and early movers repass profits, more continuous trend followers could jump back in as well. Crypto may not get back to the bubble mode it experienced earlier this year, but just like how the meme stocks trend saw a second speculative wave in late May, early June, cryptos could as well a few months down the road. So how will this lead to higher prices for Shiba Inu? If it finally becomes available for trading on Coinbase, expanding its pool of possible buyers, and speculative fever partially gets back to prior levels, we could see this joke coin make parabolic moves, albeit likely less dramatic than before. Okay, those were some very important news. As you can see, we are very close to something big. So do you think we should just hold our Shiba Inu tokens? Okay, but of course we're not gonna go through all of that, we just need very important news. And moving on to the next article, we have this screenshot again on Shibarmy Reddit account that this guy Nord posted. He said yes to the moon, and it's another screenshot of eToro. This was probably another Facebook ad that says, have you heard about Shiba Inu? This crypto is now available to invest in on eToro. Join today and see for yourself why SHIB has eToro investors rallying. They said on their post another top dog joins the pack on eToro. But I'm not sure how is this gonna make a change on the price for Shiba Inu, but we have some more informations that can probably give us more information about Shiba Inu price. That says Shiba Inu has a good week following NFT release Toro addition. You see, now everything has sense. It has been a pretty exciting run up to the weekend for nearly all cryptocurrency markets. Positive momentum is turning slightly bearish, although the uptrend remains in place. This week has been rather promising for Shiba Inu, thanks to some unexpected developments behind the scenes. Shiba Inu price bounces back. When the leading cryptocurrencies rise in value, it is a matter of time until the rest follows. Bitcoin and Ethereum have had a good run this week, yet face some bearish pressure as we speak. Same applies to Shiba Inu, which has seen a 26.5 gain in the past week, again an impressive run, as the weeks prior were not necessarily all that fun for SHIB holders. They also said making things more interesting is the overall trading volume. Shiba Inu maintains over 600 million in daily trading volume with relative ease. Its native DEX, shibaswap, is a far less of a contributing factor than some people may expect. Instead, Hotbit, Binance, HIT Bitcoin and Huobi Global all contribute decent trading volume. The pairing of SHIB and USDT remains very popular, although a few extra trading pairs wouldn't hurt either. And we can see the chart right here, and it's obviously going just up. You see where's this purple line goes. After that everything is green, everything is going up. Okay, these are some important information. They say one has to wonder what it will take to make Shiba Inu return to its all-time high recorded in early May 2021. Yeah, that's what we are talking about. That all-time high is still 78.1%. However, SHIB is also up by 14 million% since its all-time low 9 months ago. It is essential to put everything into the proper perspective in an industry where price appreciation is crucial. Now we're looking at some very important information, so be ready to hear it. What is going on in the SHIB world? There are several reasons why speculations get excited about a cryptocurrency project. Speculation in the central concept, all through a venture like Shiba Inu, can bring other aspects to the table. Several interesting things happen behind the scenes lately, although it remains to be seen how all of this will impact the broader ecosystem in the coming weeks and months. And about Shiba Inu NFTs, that's a very popular thing nowadays. They said Shiba Inu NFTs arrive on OpenSea. It is good to see community members create non-fundable tokens to support their favorite cryptocurrency. In some cases, that process will work better than others. Shiba Inu, there is now a crypto cards Shiba NFT card collection on OpenSea. A total of 25 of each card will exist, with the first 6 given away for free. Whether these NFTs are worth paying for is different, but it is an interesting concept regardless. Okay, those are some really good news, and we're gonna check on those NFT collection right now. We can see just one NFT that says hodler, Shiba hodler 001, and it's selling for 0.05 Ethereum. What do you think on this, guys? Would you buy something like this, or is it just a waste of money? Because I already consider buying some of them. Their price can go up, and I think I could make a profit on them. It's not gonna be very soon, but when Shiba goes to the moon, the NFTs will also go. So yeah, what do you think of crypto cards in general? So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. We saw some very interesting news about the Shiba Inu and Shiba Inu price. Those were good news for our favorite Shiba Inu tokens. So like I said on the beginning, please comment down below how many tokens, Shiba Inu tokens, you currently have. Do you plan on selling them, and what do you think? We're currently on 0.009, and like I said, I hope we can lose at least 2 zeros until the end this year. So I'm probably gonna hold all my tokens, and that's why I'm asking you, help me in the comments. But like I said, that's it for this video. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can get the latest news about your favorite Shiba coin. And see you in the next video.